So guys, as you can see, my chicken is finished. My oven jerk chicken, yeah. Ooh, look at that. It's so good. Ooh, get into it, guys. Get into it. Ooh. Quick and easy. Okay? Quick and easy. Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make oven jerk chicken. As you know, it's kind of cold outside, so I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to make oven jerk chicken. Please guys, when you watch my video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Tell a friend about Life with Curry Gooders, and this is all about Curry Kitchen. Yes guys, sit back, relax and wait for it. So hey guys, as you can see here, I have my chicken here and I'm about to clean and season my chicken. So I'm gonna clean them off first. Remember guys, well, I'm actually working with leg and thigh, so don't forget to take out the body part, clean out the belly, clean off all of the fat them, you know, clean the chicken properly, scrape off the skin, make sure say if there's no feather them something upon you, clean them off. I just saw something like, you know, cut off them here. Remember, cut these off, don't leave them on it, cut them off, you know. Yes, and like them something you try to scrape them off and thing, cause take off them little white something here, them fat, you don't want all of that, you know. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, I have my chicken here, they're all clean, you know, and I'm about to season them. So make sure you wash this chicken properly. You know? So yes guys, I'm gonna go by season my chicken. Yes, these are like pepper right here. So go by add a little onion powder, not too much. So everything we're using minimal amount. I'm using the seasoned salt. I'm not using regular salt, you know. I'm using seasoned salt. I use some paprika. You know, paprika is pepper, you know. Some cayenne, because guess what? What's the sense of doing jerk chicken if it's not spicy? It didn't jerk for a reason, okay? Jerk chicken is supposed to be spicy. And don't tell me some use too much seasoning. This is how I do it. So if y'all feel I'm using so much seasoning, a lot of seasoning, please just use a little less, okay? Yes. I like to use a complete seasoning because it has everything in there, as you can see. You are wondering why is she not measuring it? I don't need to measure it, guys. In Jamaica, we don't measure seasoning, you know. So I used to do it this way. I live in America, but back home we don't normally measure seasoning. We just throw until our ancestors to stop. Oh, nothing like some ginger, guys. This is the lazy way for me, right? Because normally I'm supposed to really blend up all of them stuff here. So even though I'm using the powder, whatever you see I put, if you don't like powder seasoning, you just blend the natural seasoning, okay? Yeah. Then a little black pepper, not so much. Okay, then I'm working with this jerk sauce here. No free promotion in here. Whew. I'm using like half of this. This is strong, like strong. Using. Ooh. Yep. So guys, see all that. So we're gonna go by rubbing all of these together. then I'm gonna come back. Get into this. See my chicken well seasoned up. Looks so delicious. Don't mind the messy bowl, guys. It's not prepared in this bowl. Yes, guys, so I'm gonna let this marinate for a few minutes, not too long, you know. I'm gonna give it like maybe like 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sit a little. And remember, you're gonna preheat your oven at 350 degree. You know, 350 degree. You're gonna preheat your oven. You know, so sit back and wait for it. Oh my god, this chicken looks so delicious, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you want to know what I'm gonna have with this, I'm gonna have some mashed potato, well, instant mashed potato with some sweet corn. It's right over here, guys. You know, so that's what I'm gonna have it with. But you guys can just sit back and wait for it. My pan here, I normally put the file paper into the bottom, you know, so that's how I do it. And then I will see my chicken. I normally place this side to the top, then I flipped it, you know. You always, as my sister, that's the ugly side, that's what she call it. My sister call it the ugly side, so put the ugly side down, up, facing upwards, you know the leg. I really on the other side still. You know. Oh, this is gonna be spicy, very spicy. And there's no cap. It's gonna be very spicy. Oh. Imagine me rub all my hand in somebody eye. Oh, Corey, why are you talking like that, girl? So just look out for it. Take your time and place them. You know. Yes. So there you have it. It's all in the pan. So this is gonna be my oven jerk chicken. Look on it. It's a big old pan, you know. This is 10 pounds of chicken, guys. 10 pounds of chicken. They said my house we love cook here. We don't cook little bit of food around here. You know, we always a cook at my house. And we love our belly. And my dad love him food, so yeah, me and my sister always a cook. So, oh, get into this seasoning. Just get into it. Guys, this is gonna be so delicious. I don't remember y'all see when I post this food when I was about to eat it the other day. I posted on my Instagram. A lot of people inboxed me and said I should show them how I make this meal, you know. So this is just a step-by-step process of oven jerk chicken. Because nobody really want to go outside when the time's cold. You know, everybody wants to stay inside. So you feel like you want a little jerk chicken to eat, you know. Stay in there, you make a jerk chicken, yeah. My oven is ready. And I'm going to set in my chicken. I'm going to set my chicken and I just can't wait. I'm anxious. I'm very anxious because I know this is going to be delicious. I wish you guys could share this meal with me. Oh my god. It's going to be so good. That's the chicken in the oven right there. Right. I am back to show you guys what's going on with my chicken. So as you can see, I just flipped them over on the side where the skin is at, and I'm about to place them back in the oven for half an hour. And as I tell you, I start off at 350 and I'm going to put it up to 450 degrees, the oven up to 450, so I can get this side crispy, you know, because more heat is really better. doesn't it? So just get into it, guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share my video. When it's almost done, I have a sauce that I'm gonna put over it. Comment down below if you want me to show you how to make that sauce. Okay, I already made the sauce. You see, I have a little tip right here. Yeah, so when I finish, I'm gonna show you how I place my sauce over the chicken. Get into it, guys. It's a bit hot and we can't really take the heat, you know. You see that? Get into it, guys. Look at this. You see how the skin them get crispy and nice. You see the color way top. I'm gonna place the sauce over it now. You know, so it's the jerk sauce. It's a jerk sauce that I made. You know. Get into it, guys. See it? I'm going to place it over. I'm not brushing because I use a spoon and put it over them. You know? Yeah. Yeah, I can do everything, you know. Not the best, but I could help myself. Girl not hungry enough for it. Girl no fuse up her hand. And to be honest, I'm ready to cook my own food and eat outside. Can I cook to how me want it, you know? Yeah. When me tell us the oven here, it's hot. Whew! Jesus Christ. What a thing. Yes. Get into this thing. Get into it, guys. So guys, I'm gonna close the oven. Shit. I'll overheat my jerk sauce and I'm gonna place it back in the oven for 10 minutes. Not more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes. The chicken is finished and I'm about. So guys, as you can see, my chicken is finished. My oven jerk chicken. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's so good. Ooh, get into it, guys. Get into it. Ooh. Quick and easy. Okay? Quick and easy. This is the moment y'all been waiting for. The moment of truth. So this is my sweet corn here, mashed potato in my oven jerk chicken, guys. This is gonna be so good. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Please tell a friend about Life with Curry Goddess. And this food is all courtesy of Curry Kitchen. Yes guys, get into it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.